बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्मार्ट एंड फैशन. So friends, how are you all? I hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video I'm going to share with you some very amazing and lovely crochet frock designing ideas for baby girls. You can see different sizes and different designs of crochet frocks. You can see different pattern of them. There are 50 designing ideas included in this video, so please see the video till the end and take the screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to try, and you can try by yourself at home if you know crochet work. And if you don't know crochet work, you can also purchase them online from Etsy, Amazon, eBay, crochet websites, or even from any crochet work expert. So must try these designing ideas for your baby girls in different sizes. As you can see, different sizes are included in this video. You can see designing ideas for 1 to 5 year babies, as well as you can also see ideas for some 6 to 10 year baby girls. So these are very amazing and lovely designing ideas. You can see simple double crochet stitch patterns in most of the designing ideas with simple double crochet stitch, and you can also see simple double crochet granny strip pattern, double crochet V stitch pattern, and double crochet shell stitch pattern, and double crochet post stitch pattern in some of the designing ideas. So these are very lovely and amazing designing ideas. Some of the designing ideas are simple and beginner friendly, so you can easily try them by taking the screenshot, and you can try these designing ideas with any kind of crochet thread. Most of the designing ideas are made with the help of baby soft yarn, but you can also see some other designing ideas are also made with cotton yarn. So you can use any kind of yarn according to your own choice, and you can make these designing ideas. You can see zigzag pattern, you can see simple V stitch pattern and shell stitch pattern of double crochet stitch, which are different in their patterns and all are lovely and amazing. So I hope you guys like this collection, and you can use multicolor yarn or this kind of color contrasting yarn as well according to your own choice. You can use any specific color scheme which you like for your baby girls. So must try these designing ideas for your baby girls, and if you try some of the design from this video, please give your feedback in the comment section about your experience too. And if you need help for the pattern, already many of the crochet baby frocks and dresses pattern are available in my channel. If you need help for the pattern, must visit the tutorial videos in my channel too, and you can also see some other crochet patterns, so must visit the tutorial videos. And if you want to see any specific pattern, you can tell me in the comment section. I will make tutorials on your request too. I hope you guys like this collection. If you like, give this video a huge thumbs up and also share with your family and friends.